Previously on this channel, we showed off this striking 28mm Emperor's Children army. Bold, loud, unapologetically purple, and now they've returned. Smaller, faster, and just as glorious. Because my brother has just gone and speed painted an entire 6mm epic scale Emperor's Children force. And it's not just Marines. So, what made you want to paint them again, but this time at epic scale?
Honestly, just wanted to see if I could do the same thing again, but smaller and faster. The purple from the 28mm version worked better than I expected, and I wanted to try it at a scale where you have to make bold choices to get visual impact.
And you've done a proper job here. Line infantry, rhinos, bikes, command stands. It's a complete force. Was speed the goal right from the start?
Completely. I batch painted a lot using simple contrasts and dry brush highlights where they were needed, such the old metal Thunderhawk gunships. If you get the base color right, purple actually gives you a lot of flexibility and it still pops at this scale. No point spending hours edge highlighting a 6mm Marine.
No. And the air support, that looks new.
Yeah, I wanted to bring some air superiority to this force. I've got two variations of the old Marauder bombers, and they're painted in a contrasting scheme, but with the same copper trim as the ground forces. Fast, punchy, perfect for hitting backfield targets of contesting objectives.
Then there's the big boys. You've committed to a full maniple of Warlord Titans.
Yep, I couldn't resist. The Emperor's Children always had a sense of excess. I mean, the Titans are brutal, but elegant, and surprisingly quick to paint if you're not too precious about the trim.
Okay.
I just wanted them to feel like they belonged to the same force. Same purple armor, lots of gold, and a few freehand markings if I get time.
When you get time.
When I get time.
Now, technically, the Imperial Army auxiliaries are older, right? We painted them years ago. You didn't paint them for this campaign.
No, that's right. They're already done, but they work perfectly as allies to bulk out the force. You can imagine the Marines dropping in on key objectives while the auxiliaries do the heavy lifting or take the losses.
And they look great together. The contrast really helps sell the scale. The blocky tanks next to the sleek purple Marines. It's a lovely mix, and actually the color of the Imperial Guard stuff we painted all those years ago matches with our new terrain. So here it is, a fully playable 6mm Emperor's Children army, speed painted, ready for the tabletop, backed by Titans, which are still in production, and aircraft and Imperial support. They're going to be the primary adversaries for our Eldar host in this upcoming campaign. If you saw our 28mm showcase last year, you'll know my brother doesn't mess around when it comes to painting projects. But what's impressive here is the turnaround. These were done fast, but still look the part. And that's the magic of epic scale. You get to tell the same stories, build the same armies, and you don't need years to do it.
It's also a great excuse to buy more Titans, right?
Did you buy more Titans?
I have indeed, in the new scale.
Which I'm sure you absolutely needed.
Oh, of course, absolutely, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so let us know what you think in the comments. What's your go-to army at epic scale? And if you've speed painted something like this, we'd love to hear how you did it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And keep an eye out for our next campaign video where these purple fiends face off against the Eldar across the desert worlds in the sector of Garadon Reach. And with that, we'll see you on the battlefield.